So using component or dividend of rule, so we'll get sine 5 plus theta by 2 minus sine 5 minus theta by 2 by sine 5 plus theta by 2 plus sine 5 minus theta by 2, that will be equal to, so we are starting with this one, appa corresponding at 1 varum 1 minus e by 1 plus e. Now here the numerator is in the form sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. Here also sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. So when you simplify the numerator, you will get cos 5 by 2 sine theta by 2 varum, and this will become, denominator becomes 2 sine 5 by 2 into cos theta by 2. So therefore 2 and okay, 2 will cancel off. Now you have sine theta by 2 by cos theta by 2, that becomes tan theta by 2. അതുപോലെ you can take cos 5 by 2, അത് ഇതിനെ നമുക്ക് 1 by sine 5 by 2 by cos 5 by 2 നൽകാം. That will give tan 5 by 2 on the denominator. So we are going to get tan theta by 2 by tan 5 by 2, so which is equal to 1 minus e by 1 plus e. Now, as we know, e is a constant for the given ellipse, for the given conic. So therefore, the required ratio is a constant, which is our required proof. Now, second problem, semilatus rectum of a conic is the harmonic mean between the segments of a focal chord. So let us consider a conic. Okay. So let us take a parabola in this case, and let us take S to be the focus, and let us take P as P dash to be any focal chord. So we have focal chord. So focal chord is a line segment which is passing to the focus. So let us call it as P as P dash. Now this can be any chord. So you can have a chord like this. So it is also a focal chord. Now what we need to show is that the semilatus rectum of the conic, that means L is equal to the harmonic mean between the segments of the focal chord. So segments of the focal chord will be SP and SP dash. So we need to show that the semilatus rectum L will be equal to, now harmonic mean of SP and SP dash is 2 by 1 by SP plus 1 by SP dash. So this is what we need to show. Now let us take S to be the pole. അപ്പോൾ എസ്, അതായത് നമ്മുടെ ഫോക്കസ് തന്നെ പോൾ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുക. സോ എസ് ഇസ് ദ പോൾ ആൻഡ് എസ് എക്സ് ഇസ് ദ ഇനിഷ്യൽ ലൈൻ. സോ ഇഫ് ദിസ് ഇസ് ദി ആംഗിൾ തീറ്റ, okay, so if this is the angle theta, then this point P will have coordinates SP. SP is the radial distance to the point P, and theta is a vectorial angle. ഇനി അതുപോലെ തന്നെ for the point P dash, so this angle is going to be phi plus theta ആയിരിക്കും ഈ ആംഗിള്. അപ്പോൾ P ഡാഷിന്റെ polar coordinates എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, so the angle is, vectorial angle is phi plus theta, and the radial distance is S P dash. So using these 2 points, let us write the equation of this conic. So let the equation of the conic be L by R equal to 1 minus E cos theta and PS P dash be a focal chord. And now if angle XSP is equal to theta. Okay, so here we have taken the general point to be R and theta. So let me take this angle to be alpha. Theta, general equation from the. Okay, so let this be alpha. So we have alpha and phi plus alpha. So if angle XSP is equal to alpha, then the vectorial angle of P dash is phi plus alpha വരും. അപ്പോൾ പിയുടെ ആംഗിൾ ആൽഫ ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിൽ നിന്ന് പൈ ആംഗിൾ മൂവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് പി ഡാഷ് വരിക. സോ വിത്ത് റെസ്പെക്ട് ടു ദ ഇനിഷ്യൽ ലൈൻ the vectorial angle of P dash will be phi plus alpha. Now let us substitute these 2 points into the equation of the conic. So P and P dash both are points on the conic, so they will satisfy the equation of the conic. Now since P and P dash are points on the conic, so let us call it as equation 1. So it satisfies 1. So therefore L by SP will be equal to 1 minus E cos alpha, and L by SP dash is equal to 1 minus E cos alpha plus pi. Now cos alpha plus pi will be equal to minus cos alpha, so we are going to get 1 plus E cos alpha. So now let us take the sum of these two equations of the E cos alpha cancel out. So that will give L by SP plus L by SP dash, that will be equal to 2. So therefore L is equal to 2 by 1 by SP plus 1 by SP dash. So therefore the lattice rectum is equal to the harmonic mean of the segments of the focal chord. So hence